Okay, so now we're looking at the application of gems, and they come in these little wheels, if you like, which are a bit like salt, where you turn them round and they've got a space that's open. We can see that there with the light reflection. So Miss Manctolo, I think, has decided on the yellow ones. Is that right, Miss Manctolo?
It is.
Okay, so what we do is we just tip those in to the palette here. Those of you that have done makeup and things like that will know that this is a makeup palette that we scrape our makeup into before we apply it because of hygiene purposes. So there we can see our little gems, very similar to the ones that we've sent you. I think most of you have got flowers, some of you have got fruit, I think. Again, the nail's been painted with a base coat and two coats of colour on there in order to give a nice quality of colour. Now, as you can see, Miss Manctolo's put in another coat on here, and that's just so that the varnish is damp. So with the varnish damp, you use your orange stick to pick up the gems with a little bit of blue tack on them like that. Just enough to stick it down. Once you've placed it where you want to, you just press that in a bit. You need to really get that positioning right first time. It's very hard to move them. You've usually found you've disturbed the paint if you try and move them. So next one going down, and again only just stick them to the blue tack on the top of your orange stick there, okay, because otherwise, because you want them to literally almost drop off onto the nail, so just connecting it enough to hold it to transfer across. Okay, so Miss Manctolo's going for that whole sort of looking like buttons up the nail, just securing that down a little bit. Okay, so we can see that we've just got those. Oh, they've got smiley faces on. See, we couldn't see that from over here. What a happy design.
Just had to make sure they were all going the right way.
Yeah, we don't want miserable faces, Miss Manctolo. Have enough of them during term time. And then afterwards, we're putting a generous coat of top coat over those, making sure that we go over and around, because obviously, like we've said before, the top coat is going to help to secure those designs on, and it's going to add that lovely shine that we want on the nails. And there is our finished design for our gems.